Earning money online may seem like a dream to many, but what if I told you that with the right strategies, you can start earning like a pro? The internet is filled with opportunities to make money, and it's no longer just for tech geeks or marketing experts. In this video, we're going to unlock the secrets to making money online like a true pro. No fancy degrees required, just smart moves and consistency. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's dabbled in online work before, this guide will help you maximize your earning potential and start building real wealth from your laptop or phone. So, if you're ready to take your online earning game to the next level, stick with me until the end, because I'm going to share some pro tips that will change the way you think about making money online. 10. Choose the right niche. Focus on what works for you. The first secret to making money online like a pro is to choose the right niche. Many people jump into the online world without really thinking about what they're passionate about or skilled in. The key to long-term success is picking a niche you actually enjoy or have expertise in. Whether you want to blog about lifestyle, create YouTube videos about cooking, or freelance in tech, picking a niche that you enjoy or have knowledge in will make your journey smoother. Additionally, a well-defined niche helps you attract a more targeted audience or clients, which is crucial for standing out in a crowded online market. Pro tip: do some research before choosing a niche. Make sure there is demand for it, but also that you can offer unique value within that space. 9. Master freelancing platforms. Build your profile. Like a pro, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find clients and projects. But there's an art to standing out. As a pro, you need to master how to create an attention-grabbing profile. That means having a killer bio, a strong portfolio, and a clear outline of the services you offer. Pro tip: take the time to complete your profile, showcase your best work, and ask previous clients for testimonials or reviews. These things will help you build credibility and increase your chances of landing higher-paying gigs. Also, always remember that communication is key. Respond promptly to messages, maintain professionalism, and under-promise and over-deliver. The best freelancers don't just do the job, they leave an impression that keeps clients coming back. 8. Leverage affiliate marketing. Earn while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is a game changer for many people looking to earn money online. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn passive income. You promote someone else's products or services and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. To make money like a pro with affiliate marketing, you need to choose products or services that genuinely interest you and your audience. For example, if you have a blog about tech, you can promote gadgets and software tools. If you're into fitness, you can promote workout gear or supplements. Pro tip: sign up for affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareSale, or ClickBank, and always disclose affiliate links to your audience. Transparency will help you build trust. 7. Create digital products. Sell once, earn forever. Creating digital products is one of the best ways to unlock unlimited earning potential. Digital products like ebooks, courses, printables, and design templates allow you to sell to an unlimited number of people without worrying about inventory or shipping. Pro tip: focus on creating a digital product that solves a problem for your audience. Whether it's an ebook on how to improve productivity or a course on photography basics, offering value is key to successful digital product sales. Once created, you can sell your products on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy, and even use your blog, social media, or email list to market them. 6. Build your personal brand, stand out, and get noticed. To earn money online like a pro, you need to build your personal brand. This is how you set yourself apart from the competition and become a recognized figure in your niche. Whether it's through blogging, social media, or YouTube, your personal brand is what draws people to you. Pro tip: start by creating consistent content that showcases your knowledge and passion. Engage with your audience regularly by responding to comments, sharing your thoughts, and providing value. The more you show up, the more people will trust you, and trust leads to sales. Building your personal brand is an investment that pays off in the long run. The more established your brand becomes, the easier it will be to monetize your skills and knowledge. 5. Embrace the power of content marketing. Content marketing is one of the most powerful ways to earn money online. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or podcaster, creating high-quality content consistently will help you build an audience that trusts you, and trust leads to income. Pro tip: focus on providing value to your audience in every piece of content you create. Think about their pain points, needs, and interests, and tailor your content to address those. Over time, your content will attract a loyal following, which opens the door for monetization through ads, sponsorships, and product sales. 4. Automate and scale. Work smarter, not harder. As you start earning money online, one of the secrets to becoming a pro is learning how to work smarter, not harder. This means automating as much of your business as possible so that you can focus on growth instead of getting bogged down in day-to-day tasks. Pro tip: use tools like email autoresponders, MailChimp, ConvertKit to automate email marketing. Use social media schedulers, Buffer, Hootsuite to plan posts in advance, and set up sales funnels to guide customers through the buying process without needing to do it manually. Automation not only saves you time, but also allows you to scale your efforts more efficiently. 3. Master time management. Make every hour count. When you're working online, time management is everything. Being your own boss means you need to stay disciplined and organized if you want to maximize your earnings. Pro online earners know how to manage their time effectively to balance multiple projects and still make time for personal life. Pro tip: use productivity tools like Trello, Asana, or Google Calendar to stay organized. Break down tasks into smaller, actionable steps and set specific deadlines. Consistency is key, and the more disciplined you are, the more money you'll make. 2. Network like a pro. Build relationships that pay off. Earning money online isn't just about doing the work. It's also about building relationships that can open new opportunities. Successful online earners understand the power of networking and make it a priority to connect with others in their niche. Pro tip: join online communities, attend virtual events, and network on social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter. Engage with others by offering support, sharing knowledge, or collaborating on projects. Building a strong network can lead to collaborations, joint ventures, and new clients. 1. Stay consistent and patient. Success takes time. The biggest secret to earning money online like a pro is simple: consistency. No one becomes an online success overnight, but with consistent effort, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can achieve long-term success. Pro tip: set long-term and short-term goals for your online business. Track your progress regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. The journey to online success may take time, but with persistence and the right approach, you will get there. And there you have it, the secrets to earning money online like a pro. From choosing the right niche and mastering freelancing platforms, to building your personal brand and embracing content marketing, these strategies will help you unlock your full earning potential. The key to success is taking action and staying consistent. So start today. Whether it's launching a blog, creating digital products, or diving into affiliate marketing, you now have the tools to make it happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies on how to earn money online like a true pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.